Hey guys, this is a follow-up to my video of all the stuff that we need to get rid of. I wanted to show you what I decided to go through and terrorize my entire kitchen and organize things and find some things that I just need to get used up and never bring back into my house again. So I'll talk a little bit about it right after I show you this disaster. I mean, I found some stuff I just need to get rid of. We just don't need it. So listen to the video afterwards to find my suggestions to get rid of too.
Okay, I found some things I want to go ahead and use up and get rid of. This expired a couple years ago. Not good. I'm going to make some stir-fry rice today, so I'm going to use up a little bit of that. Try to use up some of this. I'm trying to get it gone. I'm going to make some, I know it's sushi rice, but I don't really feel like making sushi. I never really liked the green sushi wrappers. They're gross. So I'm going to be making egg roll wrappers, chicken egg rolls. And I have a recipe on my website that I really like with that. So I'll just use that up and get rid of it. Found some cranberry juice that needs to be drunk. We'll just share it with the kids. Here's some hot sauce that I like, but I don't want to have because there's soybean oil, some other stuff I don't know. All kinds of crap, actually. And then here, there's not too much, nothing I really particularly want to have. And I do have things now that I go ahead and replace with that. So I kind of use that buffalo sauce there. That is much healthier. It's not organic though, but it's the closest I can find. And then this stuff is not organic, but I do like that. And I haven't been able to come up with a copycat. I did order some new stuff from Azure Standard that's actually organic, so I'm hoping it replaces that. And then some smoky chipotle pepper. Do not use the applesauce if you want something spicy, just an FYI. And then if we go back down here, I'm going to let the kids play with these. I have a million of them, so I'll just let them play with them. And then I'm going to make some hummus with those two garbanzo beans. I'm going to make the husband for game night. Spinach artichoke dip. I got these from, I think, Azure Standard. It's the only place I can find organic artichokes. And then I've got like peppermint. I'm never going to use this stuff, so I'm not sure what to do with that. I may keep that one. I've got these other vanillas that I've had for a really long time that I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of, or put some, or I have no idea, just get rid of them. Because I make my own vanilla now. So, and then I've got this fajita mix that I've had for quite some time too. So that's just, I'm going to put this stuff on my counter to remind me that this stuff I want to get used up or toss. And then this way, I can make room for good stuff coming in and just get rid of the stuff that's been sitting on the counter way too long. You feel me?